Greetings everybody, Autumn from Zappos here, and I am showing off Beloved from Chinese Laundry. Have you ever thought to yourself, man, it would be great if there was like a thigh-high boot that fit lots of different sizes as far as like legs go, that's part sock, part boot, part awesome style. Well, guess what? Your dreams are coming true right now, and I'm so glad that I get to witness it because look at this boot, you guys. It has this really soft stretch knit upper that's got a ribbed cuff at the top, so it's like a sock. It's stretchy. I put these on and let me say, they are so comfortable. The inside is soft too. It's breathable. You've still got the coziness of a sock, but the slam and style of a heel. So I'm gonna move over to the side just a little bit to show off. You've got this tall heel, it's wrapped, and it's all gonna be on top of a soft synthetic outsole. They couldn't have picked a better name for these boots because they are beloved. They're beloved by me. Beloved. I've always heard it say beloved. Anyway, make your dreams come true with these awesome boots from Chinese Laundry.